Reviewing Japanese snacks every day. Sweets Party, a DIY kit to make your own jelly pastries. Comes in a pouch like this. I'll show you very quickly everything that comes in this kit. It looks complicated, but trust me, it's pretty easy. First, we're gonna make the melon jelly pudding. You just mix water with this green pouch, mix very well, and leave it aside. Next, we're gonna make these fruit toppings. Again, all you have to do is just mix water and these powder packets. Mix very well and then pour into the molds. It should look something like this. Repeat the process for strawberries and blueberries. We'll leave this aside for now. Next, we're gonna make the whipped cream. Again, you just combine the water and the powder, mix well. Last but not least, we're gonna make the sponge. You guys know the process. Pour into the molds and get the air bubbles out. Throw in the microwave. It should look something like this. And we have our ingredients. Now time to assemble. Honestly, I feel like this was the hardest part of the process. You can decorate it however you like. Top it with some strawberries. Ta-da! How did I do? I had so much fun making this. I hope you guys give it a try.
Mini grocery shop with me. I love Nijia's bento section, so I got myself a spicy tuna roll for lunch and peach soda and peach jelly. As you can tell, I really love peaches, so I got myself a peach instant latte. Got yuzu salad dressing, creamy crab pasta sauce, and potato chips. Niji is really great for a lot of these specialty items, so I love going there. And that's where I get my snacks.
The best Japanese jelly snack. This was my favorite snack growing up. It's called Purunto Konyaku Zeri. It comes in this cute little pouch shaped like a bottle. You just rip off the top and you squeeze the jelly out. This one I'm trying today is of grape flavor. I forget how good this jelly is. The texture is something that you guys need to experience. It's super firm and really fun to chew on. I've never tasted a jelly with a texture like this. It's super addicting. Next time you see this, definitely try it out.
What Japanese people eat during summer?
1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
Hey, have you ever seen this emoji? This is a Japanese snack called tango. I was craving it but felt too lazy to make the mochi myself, so I tried making them with frozen tteok, or Korean rice cakes. I boiled them for 2 minutes or until they're soft and chewy, and then cut them in half and put them in skewers like this. So these rice cakes are actually chewier than the tango mochi, but I think it still works. For the tango sauce, I added water, brown sugar, mirin, soy sauce, and cornstarch. And you mix it while boiling it until it becomes really thick, just like this. Then it's super simple. Squeeze out the tango sauce onto the skewers. For the other half, I made a matcha tango sauce. As a finishing touch, I sprinkled some kinako powder or soybean powder. I think it came out pretty good. Enjoy!
What's in my snack basket? These are strawberry Kit Kats. I actually prefer these over the regular ones. Unagi or eel flavored chips and tteokbokki chips, which are a bit spicy. Truffle chocolate with strawberry filling and a wafer with strawberry filling. This is soda flavor and it has little tiny bubbles that pop inside the candy. Peach flavored sour candy, strawberry pocky, and a super sour plum candy. Follow to join the snack club.
Reviewing unique Japanese snacks. Shout out to Tokyo Treat for sending me an amazing snack box. I'm gonna be reviewing it. Vanilla flavored potato chips. These are what it looks like. Rasengan! Oh, it's a nice type vanilla. I didn't know vanilla goes good with potato chips. Damn. 9 out of 10. Caramel corn with lemon flavored on it. It's like popcorn with potato chips, and then the flavor of like refreshing ramen comes out. It's refreshing, sweet, and then salty at the same time. But I give it a 7 out of 10. Kit Kat pudding flavor. This is what it looks like. 8 out of 10. There is still like so much in here. Choices, 10 out of 10.
close your eyes for me. Inner corners. I'm going to take this angled brush, going to use that to draw in your eyeliner. So I'm just going to do a little wing here, a tiny little wing, a tiny little wing, flick, flick. Then taking a mascara, I'm just going to, just very light coverage. Just going to comb through with a little bit of brow gel. So just through the brows very lightly. I just want to give them a little bit more definition, but nothing too intense. I have this really ethereal highlighter called Diamond Fire.